I just don't know if I can hear you. That's the only bad thing.
Why?
I gotta have my headphones on too.
You got a new mic? Is that a new mic?
No, same thing.
What up? Are you filming? Don't get my burger. I gotta get something done. But if you want to be fit, this is what it takes. Chickens are raised and slaughtered, and then they sell that type of meat. It's disgusting.
Yeah,
chicken is so bad. No, chicken is bad for you. The antibiotics and that are in chickens.
So
terrible.
why didn't you eat your own chickens?
That's a really rough subject, okay? They fucking died. Hold on.
2366.
2366. Who do we appreciate?
Alba,
Yeah, yes?
Zoe is sending some ranch hands to pick up the Bronco.
Okay.
Ooh.
With you, I was like,
We have a
Juan,
disagreement?
when you sell the Type R wheels, man. Come on, man. I'm
No,
available.
I told you. Do you want the wheels? I just needed the stocks back on the car. I didn't have the stocks. I needed.
You should have put the 8-spec wheels back on there. We lit.
You didn't want to. I told you. You want my wheels? You didn't want them.
I'm putting this on the vlog so people can know how much you sold. What were they?
Advan GT. No, I'm sorry.
Well-
Advan TC4s.
Yeah, we'll show them
18 by 9.5 plus 38.
Okay, we'll show that on the vlog right now.
5 by 120.
And you accepted stock Type R wheels with what else? With how much on top?
1500.
See what I mean? Can't trust people these days, man.
All right, because today's Friday, that means that a lot of cars are leaving. But I don't know what.
But that's not the case for us, because no cars are leaving.
No, all of them are leaving. Finished all of them.
This
All
some of them.
75. We got a new sign because sooner or later our showroom is going to be different. God forbid. All my papa's cars are leaving. What are we going to do with all this open space? If you're interested in storing a vehicle here for the right price, and it has to be really nice, I will probably consider it. Just so you know. All right, don't be looking at all this because I don't know whose desk this is and that's messy. But we have now. How does this work? Oh, look at that. Oh, sorry, as I get in the way. You know, but look how nice that looks. Bright red. I think it'll look really good right here. Little by little, we will make this, you know, something better than it is now. Not like this isn't bad, but again, it's like very outdated. It's like, good Lord.
Because he zooms into my face every video. Like, why? He probably zoomed in right now. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Lily from Alright, let's try this again. Let's go find Allie. Right? Yes. Hey, Allie, where's your location? To 50.
Doctor's office?
Ah, she has it today.
Us right out of the gym.
Oh, she's in a cheese man. She's going in. You see Gus? Oh yeah, look at her. She is very intrigued. What's talking about?
Oh, you're really gonna get me when I have no fucking makeup or anything on right now?
Hey, he did it to me. And that was the first vlog, wasn't it?
Fuck you, Lewis. Give me like a half hour and I'll put eyelashes and makeup on.
Alright, give her half an hour and she'll be transformed.
Okay, guys, we did not film yesterday or maybe the day before. I don't really remember. But it's been very hectic. If you are a business owner, you know how that gets. One day you're ready to sell everything. The next day you have no time to even freaking sit down. So what I'm gonna do now is I have a few cars to go check in on, so follow me. Okay, the first car I'm gonna go and check on is a car that we're just finishing. So let's see how we did by washing it. Okay, If you could tell me what we painted on this car, I'll give you $100. He says he knows. Hopefully he does know because he worked on it afterwards. What sets us apart by a lot of people is, or like a lot of body shops, is that their finish work absolutely is atrocious. Like the final cleanup, like when a customer comes and picks up their car, I want them to be able to say, wow, it looks better than when I even bought it. A lot of the time these customers don't even know what we actually did on it. They're kind of just blown away, which that's what we strive for. But in this circumstances, obviously we're gonna miss things. And so that's my job to point out what we missed, take care of it before the customer ever sees it. That's 9 times out of 10, hopefully what happens. But you know how that goes. Did you hear that? What was that? Is it them?
Unless you want to open the trunk and try again, I guess.
What was that? I was like, it like made like a laughing noise. It was fucking weird. Okay, I'm lying. The car didn't make the noise. I think somebody walking by did, but that's okay. I kind of tweaked out a little. All right, so looking over it, I think that we did a great job. There's a few things I want to like just fix. I saw a tape line, which I don't fucking put up with that. That's not happening. So let's go tell Leo to fix it. I gotta go tell Leo that I found a tape line. Just a little one. He got most of it, but still, like, I don't like that at all. Okay, well, Leo's on the phone right now. Business first. Lilo? Can you fix something really quick? Oh, and look, Leo's wearing our new shirt. Look how nice this looks. Fucking professional. Can you just hit that tape line?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, it's disgusting. I just said it. I'm like,
it is?
look at it. It's disgusting.
Don't feel me like.
Oh,
Oh, dude.
came in and I'm like, oh. So sometimes we get customers that have really dirty cars and we try our best to clean them, but it is not our responsibility to clean up actual dog shit, because there's dog shit in this car.
Oh no.
M2? No. M3. Convertible? M4? I suck at BMWs. Ask me an Audi. Ask me a Mercedes. A Tesla? Well, that's easy as hell, but ask me any other car. I'm going to check on a Ford that we put flares on. Look at those flares. How's it coming along, Flaries?
You learned that you're not supposed to, you shouldn't use him and his buddy.
My dad said that he would put these flares on for $3 grand. Bro, no. I don't even think they're worth 300. If you can tell, we're in our EV building, but I have Kevin and Eric not working on an EV. I have them working on a gas guzzler, AKA a Ford F-150. This is a really good customer of ours, so I wanted to help them out putting flares on. Not something that we do every day. This car came in today, and we have it disassembled. Actually got hit in the front and the rear, so it was like sandwiched between 2 other cars. Doesn't happen often, but when it does, it's kind of cool. It's terrible to say. It's not cool. It's just a good hit. That doesn't sound good either. Andy?
Hello.
You got the wrong windshield? No. He just pulled the wrong windshield.
No.
What?
Listen to some magic.
Oh. And do you believe in magic? I do.
Oh.
We're working at the ultimate paint shop.
Yeah. No.
So we're fine.
Yeah, we're fine.
Okay, we're good.
You get the service manual, revision, so on, instruction.
Yeah, you
Easy
see,
breezy.
just want to show you something. Every time we do a repair, we look up the procedures and we have it in the file. So everyone's on the same page, besides our subletters. Did you like the shirts?
Yeah, I do. I don't like the hat.
I don't like the hat either.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the hat. Can we just show the hat? Not a big fan of, like, there's so much string. It's like clumped together, like ultimate. That's what I feel like. Like it's just too much. Maybe because I was trying to be 3D. Is that why? Yeah, let's not do 3D on these hats. Let's just maybe make them embroidered. I think it'd be better. Gosh, dang, that's a lot of string. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna get new hats. Can we do a vlog about being a mom? I have 4 children at home. 5th here, 6 behind the camera, and I think like 10 other ones over there. I'm like the mom of the shop. Oh my God, yeah, Lily too. Lily's the sister of the shop. You know what I mean? Oh, look at how cool this is. Look at how cool, my son 3D printed this, and we're gonna hang finished keys here. Is that not adorable? Don't mind this, I broke it, but that's really cool, right? Look at that, RS. I love 3D printed stuff. Also, if you can guess how much this costs, I won't give you anything, but it's very expensive. This is to remove wheels on center locking wheels for Porsches. A Porsche? A Porsche? Yeah, it's expensive as hell. It's actually nice because certain brands like do things so other brands, or let's say like not other brands, but so like aftermarket people cannot replicate their stamping of a vehicle. Just nice. Like they have the headlights that say the name in it. You know, they make like discreet little Easter eggs in there that make them different than everything else. So it's nice. I'm also a delivery person here. I'm about to go deliver this to whoever ordered it. I believe it was my dad. So we're about to get a great reaction with Joe Young. Joseph, are these for you?
Yep.
Joe Young's gonna do a teaching class because he likes this product. Fast delivery for Joe Young.
Holly.
I'm gonna pull the van. No, you're fine. Awesome. Thanks, bye. 2 seconds. Okay, let's go. You know, it's really hard for me to be part of the vlog because I literally am running all over the place. So like right now, I gotta go find a car, bring it inside, get it ready for somebody.
Stop.
It's hot as
I'm sorry.
So yeah, it's hard for me to be a part of this. So I'm gonna go get a car, hold on. Hey, this is a nice hoopty.
I know, right? Look
This
at
is nice. Sorry, Luna, I took your fan. Took your fan.
Está bueno, ¿verdad? La maravilla del mundo.
Tesla's gaps suck. And after you repair a car on a Tesla, customers tend to then notice how bad the gapping is. And it's just how they're stamped. I can walk around that Model S right there and show you exactly what's wrong with it. But you touch, it's your responsibility.
For you, yeah, I was gonna say, go get Andy.
We have to photograph everything. I think we photograph, like on each car, 100 pictures or more. It's absolutely ridiculous, but kind of saves us in the long run if someone says that we did something and we didn't. Or we can get paid for what we did. You have to have proof. Some days, and it's hot as a mother.
And today's not the day.
Today ain't the day. We only made it to Tuesday.